MCQs on Criminal Procedure Code 1973. The Criminal Procedure Code CRPC came into force on 1st April 1974. CRPC primarily deals with the procedure law relating to criminal matters. CRPC extends to whole of India. How many chapters are there in CRPC 1973? 37. Which section of CRPC defines bailable and non-bailable offence? Section 2A. Which section deals with the powers of the High Court to try offence? Section 28. Subordination of Assistant Session Judge is governed by Section 10. Which magistrate has the power to pass a sentence of imprisonment exceeding 3 years? Chief Judicial Magistrate. Which section provides classification of criminal courts? Section 6. Executive Magistrate derive their powers from Section 20. Which section of CRPC allow arrest without warrant by police? Section 41. Section 46 of CRPC refers to how arrest is made. A search warrant is issued under Section 93. Information regarding arrest must be given to a nominated person under Section 50A. In case of arrest, the person must be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours. Which section of CRPC deal with the anticipatory bail? Section 438. Regular bail in non-bailable offence is dealt under Section 437. Bail can be granted by High Court or Court of Sessions under Section 439. What is bail bond? Written agreement for appearance. Bailable offence is defined under Section 2A. This section deal with the first information report, that is Section 154. Section 156(3) empowers magistrate to order investigation by police. Section 173 of CRPC deal with the completion of investigation and police report. Statement to police during investigation is recorded under Section 161. Confession to a magistrate is recorded under Section 164. Which section deals with summary trials? Section 260-265. Charge framing is governed under which section? Section 228. Procedure for trial before court of session is given in Section 225 to 237. Warrant case means case involving offence punishable with death, life imprisonment or less than 2 years. Summons case means offence punishable with less than 2 years. This section deals with maintenance of wives, children and parents. Section 125. Jurisdiction of criminal courts in inquiries and trials is provided under Section 177 to 189. Inquest by executive magistrate is under Section 176. Which provision relate to compounding of offence? Section 320. Which section deal with the plea bargaining? Section 265A to 265L. Appeal in session court is provided under Section 374. High Court's power of revision is given in Section 401. Reference to High Court for its opinion is under Section 395. Appeal against acquittal is covered in Section 378. Revision powers can be exercised suo motu or on an application. Detention beyond 24 hours without magistrate approval is illegal. Police custody is allowed under Section 167. Discharge in warrant case is under Section 227. Frivolous accusation and compensation are dealt in Section 250. Section 144 of CRPC deal with the prohibitory orders in urgent cases of nuisance. Cognizance of offence by magistrate is under Section 190. Section 197 CRPC requires to prior sanction for prosecution of public servants. When can a person be declared as a proclaimed offender? Section 82. Charge sheet is filed after investigation under Section 173(2). The principle of double jeopardy is protected under CRPC and also Article 22 of the Constitution. Which section provides for the sentence of imprisonment in default of fine? Section 64 IPC. Execution of a death sentence is governed under Section 413 to 414. Commutation of sentence is dealt with under Section 433 CRPC. Suspension, remission, and commutation of sentence by the appropriate government is given under Section 432 to 433A. Which of the following is the final authority to confirm a death sentence? High Court. Limitation period for taking cognizance of an offence punishable with the fine only is 6 months. Section that deals with limitation for taking cognizance of certain offence. Section 468. Territorial jurisdiction of court is discussed in Section 177 to 189. An offence committed in transit can be tried by the court in either place where journey started or where offence occurred. Jurisdiction of magistrate in summary trial is denied under Section 260. Three types of trials in CRPC are summary, warrant, and sessions. Trial before a court of session begins with framing of charge under Section 228. In a warrant case instituted on a police report, the accused may be discharged under Section 239. In summons case, substance of accusation is stated under Section 251. In a warrant case instituted otherwise than on police report, charge is framed under Section 246. Section 144A CRPC empowers district magistrate to prohibit repetition of acts of public nuisance. Section 151 of CRPC allows preventive arrest when police believes a cognizable offence is about to be committed. Police officers' power to investigate a cognizable offence is under Section 156(1), who may compound an offence under CRPC Section 320, the victim or aggrieved person as specified. Which section ensure free legal aid to the accused? Section 304. Examination in chief is followed by cross-examination. A hostile witness is one who turns against the party who called him. Medical evidence is recorded under CRPC in Section 293. This section gives accused right to be heard before sentence is passed. Section 235(2). This section deals with recording of confession by magistrate. Section 164. Security for keeping peace after conviction is under Section 106. Security for good behavior from habitual offenders is under Section 110. When accused is of unsound mind, procedure is given under Section 328 to 330. Restitution of property is ordered under Section 452. The principle of double jeopardy is mentioned in CRPC as Section 300. Which court can entertain an appeal from magistrate order? Sessions Court. What is the limitation period to file an appeal in CRPC? 30 days. Who has the power to transfer case and appeals? High Court. This section allows withdrawal of prosecution. Section 328. Sessions Judge power to transfer case is given in Section 408. Section 154(2) allows FIR to be given to Superintendent of Police if police refuse to register FIR. Examination of witness by police is in Section 161. Prevention action of police is covered in Chapter 11. Who has power to issue search warrant under CRPC? Magistrate. Police rename beyond 15 days requires magistrate special permission. Which chapter of CRPC deal with the maintenance of public order? Chapter 10. When a magistrate is personally interested in a case, he should recuse from the case. This section relates to irregularities that do not vitae proceedings. Section 460. Who may tender pardon to accomplish. Magistrates. Which of the following can a metropolitan magistrate not do? Ever death sentence. Who can alter the jurisdiction of courts under CRPC? State government with consultation. The principle of Audi ultum partum applies to fair trial. Both sides must be heard. CRPC is based on the principle of natural justice and procedural fairness. The term cognizable offense is defined in section 2C. Under CRPC, which court has the power to try all offences not assigned to any court? Chief Judicial Magistrate. Thank you.